Create your own custom emojis with Genmoji, one of the coolest new features on the new iPhone 17 Pro Max powered by Apple Intelligence. So let's see how you can turn text into emojis or customize them in many more ways. So first you need to know that Genmoji requires Apple Intelligence to be turned on and your iPhone to be running the right iOS version. So let's get that ready. So first from your settings, go to General, and now from Software Update, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.2 or later. Then head back to your settings again, and from Apple Intelligence and Siri, turn on Apple Intelligence. So if you get any setup tips, just follow them and let Genmoji run directly from your keyboard. So let's try it out on your any message app. So now open a chat. Now tap the text field to bring up your keyboard. Now hit the plus button, and here from the list you will find Genmoji. And you can also hit the emoji icon from your keyboard, and you will also see the Genmoji here. So now hit it, and here's the fun part. So here you have to type what you want your Genmoji to look like. For example, I'm typing here a girl in a red rocket waving hand while flying toward the moon. And watch your Genmoji comes to life. So once you find the perfect one, just send it. You can also mix emotions, actions, and objects for creative results, like I'm giving some emojis and giving a short prompt like a cool avocado wearing sunglasses. Because short prompts usually give cleaner, faster results, and you can refine them anytime for extra details. So once you find the perfect one, just send it, and that's how you can use Genmoji, the fun, creative way to express yourself. Just remember, Genmoji works in any app with the emoji keyboard like Messages, Notes, Mail, or even third-party apps such as WhatsApp or Messenger. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.